Hey, what's up, fam? Today we going on this pit boss and we're gonna be making some absolutely delicious party ribs. And we got to get ready for the big game, and this is the perfect appetizer for the big game. And let me tell you why. It's because it ain't gonna take you a long time to cook these ribs. You still gonna have some tender, juicy, delicious ribs, and then you're gonna be in the game pretty quick. So without further ado, hey, let's go down to my workstation because I got some baby back ribs. We need to get sliced up, seasoned up, and then we got to put them on this grill so we can get them smoked up. We in the game. That's what we're working with today. We got 2 slabs of baby back ribs. This is going to be an easy recipe. Get you in the game really quick. All you really got to do, cut these ribs up, season them, get them on your smoker, and then let those things roll out before you sauce them. You'll be in the game. Now, if you want to, you can take the membrane off, but I'm gonna leave mine on this time. Cut off any excess fat, but trim them up. Hey, I'll see you guys once I get all these trimmed. Hey, use your favorite barbecue rub. That's what I'm doing. I'm going in with one that I love. It's a coffee ground rub. I know some people don't get down with the coffee grind, but for me, hey, it's absolutely delicious. But use what you want to use. Hey, it's your kitchen, your show, your Super Bowl party, or whatever party that you're gonna be having these ribs. And once you got all your ribs seasoned up, no binder needed, hey, we're gonna let these ribs sit out for about 15 minutes or so. Let this rub, adhere to these ribs even more. And then we're gonna go out to that smoker. 300 degrees. We going hot and fast today because we want these up as an appetizer. Like I said, these party ribs, hey, to be honest with you, probably the best way you can get in the game pretty quick with a rib recipe. And to be honest with you, you're gonna cut these ribs up anyway when you're done cooking them. So, I mean, it's a win-win, best of both worlds, fam. All right, fam, we got our smoker ready to go. 300 degrees. Now I do have a smoke tube right underneath this. I know you can probably barely see it, but that's going to give me some extra smoke flavor since we going hot and fast. And we're going to get these on so we can get in the game and watch the game. All right, fam, this is how we looking 30 minutes in. Hey, they smelling absolutely delicious, fam. But what I want to do, I want to spritz these. I got me a little bit of apple cider vinegar, so I'm gonna get me a little spritz on these. So while we're in here, we're gonna get us a temp reading so you can see where we at. So we're a little bit under 160, 157. We're gonna let this back down because we got a little ways to go. We want to get this about 200 degrees. And we're gonna let this top down because you already know if you looking, you ain't cooking. We're about a little bit over an hour in. And let's get us a little temp reading. And you see we're sitting at about 187. We want to sauce these party ribs. And what I have here is my barbecue sauce mix. Now I went with a half a cup of honey, half a cup of barbecue sauce, and then to thin it out a little bit more, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Hey, let's get these sauced up. Hey, we got all these sauce. We gonna let this top back down. Hey, you looking, you ain't cooking. All right, fam, these are ready to come out. Hey, we in the game. So I'm gonna bring one up to you. Hey, look at that right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna get these out. We're gonna let them rest. And we're gonna get us a taste test. Hey, there you have it, fam. You got your absolutely delicious party ribs. You already know what I got to do to get in the game. I got to get us a taste test. And hey, check this out. Cheers, fam. Now that right there, Absolutely delicious. It's tender, it's juicy, and in under 2 hours, you in the game. You in the game.